It's 2 in the morning, a message arrives, and something on your own machine decides to answer it. You're asleep. No cloud service woke you. So, who or what is doing the work? This is OpenClaw, an open source personal AI agent that lives on hardware you control. Most assistants run in someone else's cloud on someone else's rules. OpenClaw flips that. Built by Peter Steinberger and released in early 2026, it rocketed past 100,000 GitHub stars in its first week. They call it the Lobster Way. Cute mascot, serious architecture. Let's open the shell. At the center sits one long-lived process, the gateway. Everything routes through it. It's the single source of truth. It owns your sessions, your routing, and every channel connection. Under the hood, it's a Node.js service you run yourself. Local first, by design. You don't learn a new app. OpenClaw meets you on the channels you already use. Each channel plugs into the one gateway. Some built in, many added as plugins. But channels are only the doors. The thinking happens one layer deeper. Inside the gateway runs the agent, the part that reasons, decides, and acts. First, it assembles context, recent history, long-term memory, and the loaded instructions. Then it calls a language model, and it's model agnostic, your keys or a fully local model. The model can just reply, or it can decide to use a tool to touch the real world. Tool result flows back in, the model reasons again. That cycle is the agent loop. Tools are its hands, a browser, a canvas, scheduled jobs, real system actions. Your devices join too, macOS, iOS, Android, each a node exposing local powers. The clever part, a phone's camera or speaker becomes just another tool the agent can call. Expertise loads on demand through skills. Plain instruction files the agent reads at session start. There's a registry, ClawHub, with a growing library of ready-made skills to install. And when a skill doesn't exist yet, it can write one for itself, then reuse it forever. Its memory is just local markdown, readable, editable, and yours to inspect. Cron jobs and webhooks let it act on its own, which is how it fixed that deploy while you slept. Real power means real caution. It runs with genuine system access, so the sandbox and permissions matter. Step back, and the whole machine comes into view. One gateway tying it all together. Now watch the 2 AM message travel it, channel, gateway, loop, tool, and back to you. So, one gateway, your channels, an agent loop, real tools and nodes, and skills it can even write itself. Local gateway, agentic loop, skills, memory. That's the emerging blueprint for personal AI you actually own. Thanks for watching. If this made the shell make sense, follow, like, and share.